Hello everyone, I'm Ashutosh, Mumbai University. Today I'm going to talk about Seawoods walking track. This walking track was constructed few months ago. This big tree is a reason which gives freshness to this walking track. This walking track still remains cool because of these big trees. This construction, this was a walking ground which was known for people who used to walk here. This walking ground has been sold to a property builder few years ago by Sidgo. This is an exercise equipment. A lot of people come and do exercise over here with the help of this equipment. Here there is also a tree still existing here. And this is Palm Beach Road, which connects Seawoods, Belapur and Vashi. This walking track goes up to Belapur. This walking track is approximately 2 kilometers. It at least takes 15-20 minutes. Before there used to be an office over here. Since this property has been sold to since ground has been sold to a property builder. Here there is flora and fauna. Here there is lot of. And today is now afternoon time. That's why nobody is here. Usually in this Palm Beach Road, we see a lot of traffic in weekdays. Today is Sunday, a lot of people are having holiday. That's why we can't see too much traffic in Palm Beach Road. And in this walking track, we say in morning we see a lot of people come and walk over here. The ones who are health conscious. In evening also we see a lot of people coming with joint families to take part in various activities. And those who come from main Mumbai, they come with their joint families to have a great picnic over here. In evening we see a lot of kids. They come and cycle over here, they jog, they run, and we see a lot of people coming with their pet dogs to have a great fun. And early in the morning we see a lot of birds are chirping over here, which gives a fresh environment look feeling. Here nearby there is an NRI complex. Here nearby an NRI complex, there are a lot of people from NRI who walk here. When they come from NRI walk here, they have to cross this road. If you want to count the exact steps of walking, you have to wear a smartwatch and will tell exact steps, how many steps you have walked. One way, if you walk 2 kilometers, it will count exactly 3,000 steps you have walked. Here this plant was recently set up by NMMC. Sure, it can give more cool and freshness to this walking track. Nearby there's a school, DPS school. Those who are living in this area, they can use this walking track to reach the school in next 10 minutes rather than using this walking track. Nearby there's a bus stand nearby. There is and people who are waiting for their buses who want to reach their respective destinations. I request you all to come and explore this walking track. I want you all to enjoy. Please like, share and comment. Next part of walking track is will be my next video.